Good morning. This is Tuesday, March 18th, 2014, and it is very close to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Let's talk a little bit about the market today, and I'm going to bring to you my favorite trade of the day. But first, let's start with the major economic releases for today. So not long ago at 8:30 a.m., we did have building permits that came in above expectations at 1.2, and the previous release was 0.95, and the forecast was 0.97. So really good number there. We also had core CPI that came in line with the previous and the forecast numbers at 0.1%. Guys, don't forget tomorrow, hump day, with FOMC meeting projections and FOMC statement, and of course, followed by a FOMC press conference. And let's not forget, it is the first meeting for Chair Jennifer Yellen. All right, so let's get back to the market. And you saw the overall market activity throughout last week. We did have a lot of selling going on, but nevertheless, we did stop in a support level. And as you can see right here from the daily chart, from the Qs, we do have a previous swing high right here that set the stage for a support level, for a minor support level right here, very close to the 88.50 price level. Price level held, and yesterday we did pop higher. Right now the market is slightly higher. Futures are higher as well, and we do have pre-market Qs trading at $89.73. So nevertheless, yesterday we did gap up, and we did hold a very weak gap. So as you can see right here, we are slightly getting into, again, at this resistance level. Now this is going to make it or break it right here for the Qs, because if we trade higher, if we trade above this area of 89.90, we may have odds of continuing higher into the $90 level for short term, and this is for day traders. And again, for swing traders, look for another swing to the previous high of $90 and $90.90. So very close to the whole number of $91, as you can see right here on the chart. So again, is this going to be another a possible buy scenario right here in the Qs? We're just going to have to wait. I probably assume that the markets are going to remain quite in a range until tomorrow's FOMC meeting, but we're going to see what the market is going to break. Nevertheless, we do have a very strong uptrend going on right here, and as you can see from the weekly chart, this pullback is right into the moving average, and cradling it, and then as if it's ready to move a little higher. Let's take a look now at the SPYs. Okay, so here are the SPYs, and pretty much same situation. We did have a mild gap up into prior resistance, so basically into prior resistance, which formed right here a minor resistance level at 186.60, and it did hold that area. Right now, pre-market, we are trading above that range. We are trading at 187 already, so SPYs a little stronger than the Qs right now in the market, and we do have room to continue higher. Look for a target continuing into the 188 number. And as you can see, the same scenario right here. We did have a previous high that set the stage for a shelf at 184.50, from which we got the bounce. So is this another scenario where the SPYs are going to continue to rally? We're just going to have to see. Like I said, there are a lot in discussion tomorrow about tapering. Will we continue the 10 billion tapering or will we not? Will this economy be as strong as we already received some numbers, or is it slowing down? So tomorrow's FOMC press conference is going to be really important to watch for future price action and for future action in the market. And now let's go to a favorite trade for today. And today I will be watching Kroger. I do like Kroger. This is the daily chart of Kroger, and the fact is that we did have a sell in the market, and look at Kroger hold this area here. So we do have support at $43 and about 15 cents, and we do have resistance at the whole number, and we do have resistance as well at $43 and 37 cents. We do have room to continue higher, at least to the previous high, $45.25. And we do have future projections into $46, $48, $49, and for long term into the $50. So this was my favorite trade for today that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/tradeoutloud, where I post a lot of trade ideas. And of course, follow us on Twitter. It's twitter.com/AnkaMetcalf. Until tomorrow, have a wonderful day.